everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout today. And today I'm doing a layout of my boyfriend and I at a brewery that we went to in a town that we were visiting, and I loved this place. So the feel of it was, the name was Stone Arch, and it had a lot of stones and arches in it. So I'm basing my papers on that feel. So I'm going to use that blue brick paper, which is from Ella and Viv. It's the Urban Excursion collection, and it's the reflection paper, and it's so perfect for this. And I really like how that sets off our photos in the background, because if I'd put it on brown, the photos would have gotten lost. So that's just kind of a cool thing. And we both happen to be wearing blue as well, so that kind of helps that sort of marry it up as well too. The background paper, the wood background paper that I'm using there, is from Echo Park America the Beautiful. It's the dusty blue wood grain paper. And what I'm doing is I cut about 2 inches off the height of the blue paper, so that those are like 10 inches about. I don't remember exactly, but that's about what it is. And then on the side, I left just about an inch from the edge of the photo to the edge of the paper. So that's kind of, I'm just kind of estimating things here with my eye. I'm not going by any specific measurements, like I didn't say I want this to be 10 inches or anything like that. I wanted to soften the edges of that blue paper a little bit, so I'm using my Creative Memories corner rounder there. I love that Creative Memories corner rounder. I have that. I actually have a trimmer that uses my travel trimmer, and I have a 4x6 trimmer that I use to trim photos. So I'm adding in, on the right side, I'm adding in a 4x6 card from Ellie's Studio. That's going to be my journaling card. So then to balance that with something large on the left, I'm going to add in this title. And that title is from the Dear Lizzie American Craft Thickers. It's the Desktop Thickers. And I was thinking I was going to maybe look for some brown, and then I walked over, and then I thought, well, maybe gold. And I found this gold thicker, this desktop thicker, and I love how it's really a bright gold. So it sort of mimics the color of beer to me, because it's that bright yellow. And since we were at a brewery, that really seemed to work. Now, I tend to drink my beers a little bit darker than that bright yellow, but hey, the important thing is that I get the idea across. All those little sort of clues, it just works a little bit better that way. All right, so I'm just getting this down, and I'm using my T-square ruler here to try to get everything straight. All right, so now it's time to be doing a little bit of embellishing, and I'm trying to figure out what I want to do here. I've pulled a bunch of stuff, like chipboard circles and that kind of stuff, trying to use some of these Ellie Studio collections up that I have, not a lot of pieces left, but pieces here and there. So I'm going to add 3 circles. I'm going to add the camera in that area by the Stone Arch Brewery, and I decided to move it up there a little bit. I'm adding one that says relax on the top left, one that says fun, actually 4 areas of embellishment, one that says fun on the top right there, and then one that has flatware on it, because we actually ate lunch here besides just drinking the beer, and the lunch was fantastic. So if you're in Wisconsin, this brewery is in Appleton, and it was fantastic. So beer and food was both really good. Now I want something to kind of ground my circles here. They aren't big enough. So I'm going to add label stickers from Ellie's Studio. Those are, I forgot to say that the chipboard circles there are from Ellie's Studio chipboard circle stickers from 2021. And that camera that I'm just playing with there is not actually a chipboard circle. I forgot this until I'm looking at my notes here. That is actually a puffy sticker, and that came from Ellie's Studio Big Smiles puffy stickers. So they all kind of had the same look, but that one is not actually a chipboard. And then I grabbed these gold stars and hearts from Ellie's Studio. That was from a Christmas collection in 2021, I think. And I'm going to add those in just to pop some gold from the title into the little clusters. And I don't have quite the exact same color of gold, but that's fine. Then I decided I wanted more gold. So I went to a sheet of pink paisley, indigo, and ivy stickers that I sort of had sitting at the side of my desk there, and it has some gold pieces on it. So I'm grabbing that. And then I couldn't find anything else. They were too big. I needed things that were more horizontal. So I went to my Crate Paper Maggie Holmes Storyteller stickers. So it's really a sheet of gold stickers. And I'm going to use a couple of word stickers here. And phrase stickers actually. So always XOXO, love, and a happy day, because we were together doing this. I really love adventuring with him. It's one of my favorite things about our relationship is how much fun we have together, and just to discover new places, or even now to go back to, we've been dating for 1.5 years now, so also to go back to things that we really loved. So actually it's 1.5 years when I'm voicing this over. It'll be more than that, a couple more months when you finally see these. I always go out ahead a bit so that with videos, I think I've talked about this before, so that if I get busy, I still have videos up. And then Christmas is coming up where I'll be doing December daily, and I don't generally do regular scrapbooking then, because between Christmas season and the December daily live videos, that's enough. So anyway, little thought about my process. So I'm just getting these stickers on here. Really, that's basically the story. And I love how the stars and the stickers just bring in more of that gold so that the title doesn't look like it's standing out on its own. And I think that gold is a really nice pop against the blue and brown. That's the other thing that I think works really well in this particular layout. So then I was trying to decide what to do with that space up there, and I happened to see this sticker that says a happy day, and kind of trying to position that in there. Thought I'd position it, justify it to one side, and I didn't really like how that looked, so I kind of put it more towards the bottom there. There's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.